Bristol Airport has taken a major step forward in the way it services and maintains its ground fleet, thanks to a full workshop fit-out supplied and installed by workshop equipment experts, Totalkare. The new installation includes a bespoke 20-meter vehicle inspection pit with a 20-ton pit jack and a DVSA approved in ground brake tester. The investment is part of Bristol Airport's ongoing commitment to safety, compliance, and operational efficiency across its ground fleet. Central to the upgrade is a custom 20-meter vehicle inspection pit, specially designed to accommodate the airport's largest service vehicles. The package also includes Totalkare's in-ground brake tester, a DVSA-approved unit built to handle all vehicle types, up to a maximum axle load of 20,000 kilograms.